Hello everyone that's joining live. We are going to talk about using category thumbnail lists for your gallery pages in WordPress today. So I'm going to give everyone a few minutes to get in here, so I'm supposed to start at 1 o'clock. And then we'll go over the plugin and how to use it. Hello, how are you? And Jenny joined. Hi Jenny. So first of all, this is only on WordPress. If you're not on WordPress, this will not work for you. This was one of the main reasons I switched to WordPress when I was on Blogger. I was using InLinks for my gallery pages, and it is a bear to update, and I just couldn't take it anymore. So this was one of the main reasons I switched, and it's so easy. Once you set it up, you can just forget it. It updates automatically, which I love. So I'm going to get to it. We have like 16 live viewers. It's a couple minutes after. Hopefully everyone has made it in. So I'm going to flip it around and show my computer screen. I have some of it blown up, like the really minute details. So hopefully you can see it, but just comment. I should be able to see your comments if you're having trouble seeing it, okay? All right, so first of all, this is a gallery page on my blog. This is my Teacher Appreciation Crafts, and this is just a plugin. It's just the category thumbnail list, pulling every post that's tagged Teacher Appreciation into one great page. I have all of my categories linked in the top up here across this toolbar. And so I have them broken down by different topics, and when you click on one, let's say summer, it takes you to the page that has all my summer crafts, and that's the category thumbnail list right there. So first of all, the name of the plugin I use is called Category Thumbnail List, and you would just install it into your WordPress site. Under Settings, it will install this, something that says category thumbnail list right here. The only settings are just two, so super simple, is what order you want them by, either date or title, and I always choose date, and the display order if you want a descending or ascending. And that's it. You just click Save Settings. That's really the only settings there are to this plugin. Now, how to use it. So for every category page you want, or every gallery page you want, you will have to set up a page on WordPress. So this is that Teacher Appreciation one I showed you at the very beginning. And on that page, you just need to put like a snippet. I really need a longer snippet, but what the page is about, maybe a pinnable graphic, and then this line of code right here. And I have it blown up for you here. Okay, so this is the only line of code you have to put in. So it just is a bracket, and then it says category thumbnail list, and then there's a number and another bracket. And I'm going to show you where to get this number. That's the only tricky part of this plugin, is where to get this number that you're going to put on your gallery pages. So I'm going to leave that up just a second so you can see it. You can watch the replay of this on Catch if you miss it, and of course Periscope for the next 24 hours. So tell your friends if they're having trouble with gallery pages at all. Okay, so where to get that number? On your WordPress dashboard, up here where it says Posts, there's a portion under that that says Categories. You just click Categories, and this is all your categories that you have set on WordPress. So I'm going to go, we'll just stay with that Teacher Appreciation one. And you saw that it was number 30, and I'll show you why. So under the category Teacher Appreciation, if you will just not click on that, click, yeah, so click on it and you'll go into the edit mode of that category, and up here in the top in the URL there is something that says category and tag ID equals, and there will be a number after that. That is the number you need for category thumbnail list. You just pull that number, which was 30 in this case, and you put it into here on your WordPress page or post, however you're going to do your gallery pages, and drop that code onto that page or post. And that is it. Seriously, that is the only line of code you see in this entire post. And when you hit publish, it will look like this. And seriously, that's it. And it's so simple, it's silly, right? Oh, hey Jennifer, thank you. Okay, so I'm going to switch my camera back around. And I'm going to give you a few seconds to ask questions, and I meant to have pencil and paper handy, and I'll write them down and try to answer any questions you have, but it's really that simple. And I know a lot of people have been using like a different plugin that was really confusing, and I don't want you to think it has to be confusing, because this one is not. So benefits of using this over a gallery page, and I don't know what kind of plugin you're using for your gallery pages, but this one will actually, every time you add a post to that category, it automatically puts it on your gallery page. So if I was to write a teacher appreciation post tomorrow, all I have to do is tag it teacher appreciation, and it will pop up into that gallery. No other requirement on my part. I don't have to go back into that gallery page and edit it at all. It does it automatically, which I love. So if you've ever done gallery pages, yes, name of the plugin is Category Thumbnail List. If you've ever done gallery pages manually, you know how much of a headache it is. And if you've ever had to update them all the time, you know that you just don't do it. I know that. Yes, you can put posts into multiple categories, and I do. So it may go on my teacher appreciation gallery, into my handmade gifts gallery, into my tutorials gallery. I put it into as many categories as it will fit, and it will update into each and every single one. So, and I link to them in my header across the top, and also on my sidebar I have some like various links, like I think one says mason jar crafts, some things I'm known for, over in my sidebar, and I just have those as pictures, and you click on those pictures and it pops over to the gallery page. You are welcome. Okay, so if you enjoyed this, just to let you know, bloggoals.com is my new endeavor, and where we'll be sharing tons of blog workshops. This is just the tip of the iceberg into the knowledge that the 4 ladies I have joined and myself have. So if you're interested at all, sign up for our email at bloggoals.com, and you will get updates first and information from all 5 of us. And those emails are free, so if you want to sign up for that. If you have any other questions, you can ask them now. I'm about to end this. Or tweet me at CountryChicCott, C-O-T-T, and I will try to answer those questions. And hopefully I have a few other things on my list to do periscopes on. Hopefully I can get to those. Any CDs to remove titles? Ask that in another way, or someone clarify that for me. Yes, the plugin name is Category Thumbnail List, and that is it. Oh, CSS. I did not alter my CSS at all for this plugin, if that's what you're asking. Not at all. Do you want to remove the titles? Maybe, is that what you're asking? Because I don't know if you can do that. If you just wanted pictures. I have not played with that, if that was what you were asking. Any other questions? Yeah, I think you're asking if you could remove the titles from the gallery, and I'm not sure if you just wanted pictures. Sorry. Alright, well, thank you for joining me today, and my blog's at countrychicottage.net, so pop over there if you want to see some of those gallery pages in action. It doesn't work on your blog? Jennifer says it doesn't work on hers, so maybe there's a conflict with another plugin. Sorry. You'll have to go back to the one that's confusing. I don't even know the name of that plugin that's so confusing for everyone. I think it's Catalog or something. Alright, well, thank you for joining me today. And thank you to all of you that joined me live. Bye.